In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can remove fan noise here within Premiere Pro. This is going to be any background noise gone, and it's going to make your videos a lot better. Before we dive into this though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to get rid of all of your background noise, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is highlight the clip or audio with the video that does have background noise. And what you're going to want to do from here is actually open up this essential sound panel right here. If you don't already see it, go up to the top menu up here and go ahead and find the menu option or the window option, and then find essential sound within here and click on it, and it should pop up in this right section over here. Then go ahead and click on it and then find this section that says dialogue up at the very top. This tells Premiere Pro that you are currently working with voice audio. Now, to actually remove any background noise, scroll down until you see this repair option and click on it to open up a page that looks like this. Check this box that says reduce noise, and then what I recommend doing is actually adjusting the slider to around 7.5 for a more natural sounding reduction without making your voice sounding too robotic. So set it on 7.5 and you should be good to go. But if you want to continue playing with this to get it more precise, you're welcome to do so. 7.5 is just a recommendation. From here, you can obviously play this to make sure that your audio is good to go. But that's it. Any background noise that you may have had in your recording should now be a lot quieter while keeping your voice clear. If you did find this video guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more Premiere Pro content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.